Are you struggling to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Well, this video is for you, because in this video I'll be telling you 5 steps on how you can get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube just by posting YouTube shorts. Without further ado, let's get it. Now the first step is making your videos interesting. That's a video you're going to be posting on your YouTube short. It should be something interesting, and it should be something that will want your audience to stick to the end of the video. It should be something that we want the audience to watch the video to the end. Now the second step is know your targeted audience. Okay, this video I'm creating, who am I creating it for? Is it a funny video? Okay, you know that, okay, this video you are creating, your targeted audience are people who would want to laugh. Is it tutorial videos on video editing also? Okay, my targeted audience are people who want to learn how to edit videos. Now the third step is making your video title short. Your video title should be very short and simple. It should not be something that is very long, because if it's very long, if YouTube are displaying your video, or if your video appear on YouTube feeds, the title is not going to be readable. They cannot read it to the end. It's just going to be a little bit it's going to be full. It cannot be readable. So now the first step is using the right hashtag. Yeah, when you're posting a video, you should know how to use hashtag. Know how to use the right hashtag. You cannot be posting a funny video and be using a hashtag meant for a tutorial video. Let's just say you're posting a funny video and you're using hashtag how to learn or hashtag how to cook. You see, your video is not going to meet the targeted audience, and you're not going to get subscribers. Now the fifth step is the most important one. Yeah, when I say it's the most important one, and it's the most crucial one, because if you play with these steps, then there are chances of you not getting subscribers on YouTube. The fifth one is knowing the right time to post. When are you going to post? When am I going to post my video? You can't just wake up one morning and say, okay, let me post my video 8 a.m. in the morning. Whereas, you know, that time you're posting your videos, some people are at their various place of work and they won't have enough time or chances to watch that video. So knowing the right time to post really matters. The perfect time to post in a YouTube video is in the evening. Let's say 3 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. when you know that people have closed from work, they are now home. So they'll be able to focus and watch your videos. And when you're posting shorts, you'll be surprised the kind of subscribers you'll be getting from shorts. That if you're posting it in the right way. Like when I started posting my short, the first short I posted, I think I got 30 views with no subscribers. I posted about 5 videos without getting a single subscribers. So I said, okay, why not divert? Why not do something funny? And I started posting reaction videos. And from these reaction videos, I was using the right hashtag short, okay, hashtag reaction, because I know my targeted audience and I know who I want this video to reach. So when I started posting reaction video, I was surprised that I was getting 1,000 views on my YouTube short, 10,000 views, and these videos were coming with subscribers, because I was getting 185 subscribers per video, 100 subscribers, and many more. In no time I was able to get 1,000 subscribers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, thanks for hanging around. You're welcome. And to my existing subscribers, you know how I do it. You guys still remain my #1 here. See you in my next video. Peace.